What's up guys, and it's time to take a look at the official OnePlus 60 and its features which are leaked thanks to its box. The box has spilled all the beans. First up is the design. We have the water droplet notch. It is confirmed as usual. The design is based on the latest Oppo flagship phone. It's going to be a 6.3-inch display, AMOLED of course, with a water droplet notch up front. And it's not going to be just any display. It will most probably be a Gorilla Glass 6 for that better durability. We already have two Oppo phones with the Gorilla Glass 6, so it is expected that the OnePlus 60 will probably going to have it as well. Now, in this tiny water droplet notch, we have the front camera, which also acts as a face unlock. If you talk about the button positioning, they are the same. We have the volume on the left and power/mute switch on the right. The chin is still there, but it seems like it is a little bit smaller than the OnePlus 6, not by a huge margin, but yeah, it feels a little bit smaller. Now the main feature is highlighted here as well, which is the in-display fingerprint scanner. This is something you're gonna see in the trailers, in the taglines and everything. It says unlock the speed. Of course, by just touching the display, you will be able to unlock the speed, which is the OnePlus 6D with the same processor as the OnePlus 6, but now with an in-display fingerprint scanner. Yep, it's happening. As discussed last time, OnePlus 60 is going to be the first OnePlus phone to have an in-display fingerprint scanner before the latest iPhone or the latest Galaxy, and they're probably gonna rub this feature in the faces of Samsung and Apple because they have done it first, and it's an amazing feature that I would love to see on the future Galaxy phone. But yeah, OnePlus has it now, and it says unlock the speed. You guys know OnePlus is all about the speed, so you can expect this in-display fingerprint scanner to be super fast. So water droplet notch display design is here with an in-display fingerprint scanner, and I have to say it looks pretty good. The notch is small and it's going to provide you the maximum screen area without being too in your face, and we have seen how good the OnePlus is with its notch optimization, so all of your media, video consumption, the gaming won't be affected by this at all. In fact, it actually looks pretty nice. The actual display size is going to be the same as the OnePlus 6 with the same resolution as well. Now, other than that, you can expect the same Snapdragon 845 processor with 8 GB of RAM inside. The price will increase about $20, so you should expect the starting price at $550 for the base 128 GB model. Now, other features like battery is expected to be bigger as well, 3500 mAh size, a little bit bigger than the OnePlus 6, and also there will be a few tweaks to the software because this is expected to come with Android 9.0 Pie, as well as there will be some tweaks to the camera as well. Not going to be a major change, but still there will be a little bit improvement. So overall, the back design will remain the same minus the fingerprint reader on the back because now it's on the freaking display. So yeah guys, that's all we have with the OnePlus 60. This is your official OnePlus 60 box revealing its official design, its official key highlight feature, which is its new display design, the water droplet notch, along with the in-display fingerprint scanner, which says unlock the speed. So let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.